Good morning everyone. Today I'm telling about the improving verifiability in AI development. Uh, the summary and the motivation and the significance of the paper reading presented in AI development is the summary of the content is increasing reliance on AI system in critical domains. Nowadays everyone is using open AI in industries such as healthcare, the finance, transportation, and the security are increasingly integrating AI technology, and AI systems are being used for the critical decision making, automation, and risk assessment. And going to the motivation of the paper being presented on this topic is the motivation behind this paper stems from the rapid proliferation of AI technologies and their integration into various aspects of our life. As AI systems become more complex and influential, it becomes increasingly important to ensure their reliability, fairness, and the safety. Unfortunately, the lack of transparency and verifiability in AI development poses significant obstacles in achieving those goals. This paper seeks to address the gap by proposing novel methodologies and the technologies to enhance the verifiability in AI systems. Coming to the significance of uh, coming to the significance of the paper reading behind this AI development is of this paper lies in its potential to drive advancements in the field of AI development and address the concerns surrounding its lack of verifiability. By emphasizing the importance of transparency and reproducibility, the paper contributes to build trust and confidence in AI systems among the stakeholders, including researchers, developers, and the policymakers and end users. Explanation of the paper methodology belongs to the process proposes a methodology to enhance verifiability in AI development by focusing on transparency, reproducibility, accountability, uh, a problem analysis. Means the problem analysis is methodology being say conducting comprehensive analysis of the challenges and the limitations related to the verifiability in AI development. Um, and the verifiability criteria is the next step is to establish a set of verifiability criteria that AI systems should adhere to. This could include the transparency in algorithms and the decision making and the reproducibility of the results. Now, methodological enhancement. The methodological process proposes specific enhancements to address the identified challenges and meet the verifiability criteria. This may involve the following approaches transparent documentation, open sources, and the reproducible data management and bias migration, auditing and explainability. The methodology aims to promote the responsible AI and significant ratio and ethical considerations while addressing the implementation and challenges the potential trade-off with the and coming to the experimental setup of the result is a transparency. Transparency is a variability means making the inner workings of AI models clear and understandable to stakeholders, including the model architecture, algorithms, and decision making process. Validation and testing. It involves through the assessment of AI models performance and robustness through techniques like cross validation, holdout testing, and stress testing to evaluate behavior under the different conditions. Ethical and regulatory compliance. It ensures that AI system adhere to legal and ethical standards, prompting fairness, unbiasedness, and compliance with guidelines and regulations. And coming to the strengths of the proposed methodology in AI development is a comprehensive approach addressing the multiple aspects of variability, It's responsible for AI development. It emphasizes the reproducibility and scientific ratio, and aligns with ethical considerations and potential for adoption and standardization. Limitations of the proposed methodology in it challenges in complex or proprietary environment, and potential trade-off with performance, varied effectiveness across the different domains and the techniques, and barriers and the resistance to change, the potential overhead in terms of time, effort, and resources. Independent evolution plays a crucial role in assessing the AI system performance, objective assessment. It provides unbiased evolution separate from the developers, offers fair and unbiased assessment of AI system capability. Is identifying the strengths and the weaknesses, and areas for implement. Coming to the conclusion of this, AI development is increasing reliance on AI system in critical domains. Is industries such as healthcare, finance, transportation, and security are increasingly integrating AI technology, because nowadays everywhere we can see the AI technology is developed very fast in growth, and AI systems are being used for the critical decision making, automation, and risk assessment. Will compared to the human being, the AI is giving on giving their the problem solving is very quick and easy. It will give the answers in time saving process. So nowadays everyone is using the AI systems instead of the humans. uh, yeah, this is the conclusion of the AI development. Thank you.